tequila style.
Down for my barrio and to make failure. The hill cartel taking over your area. Making mad gas so down in Mexico where the sun burns hot and it goes down slow. Got my clientele so everything's well. Gotta be in the mountains with the big Spanish bell. And let it be known that I'm down for the tranza. The brown Robin Hood looking out for the raza. See me in my round flam straight balaproof. A conquistador conquering all the loot. Try to pull a swoop and I got my soldados. The soul asesinos vienen preparados. The rap desperados with the foot on the throttle. You know what we say, make the money is the motto. Get the cash, make the dash, call up my hermano. We all get drunk down in the Recusano.
Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, money, money. I never knew money like this in the palm of my hand till I met the man with man hook up in big plans. Everywhere you look up, he got everybody shook up running for cover. The big bad wolf undercover. He was like a father figure, showed me the bigger picture. Never slanging on the corner, don't let the pigs get ya. Not like these fools who don't comprehend, who end up doing a 25 bit in the pen. You got that? He gave me a cup, I took a swig. The bitter taste of the Moscow free worm, dropping a lesson. He slapped my face, he said, listen, pay attention, brother, you're my ace, but don't ever question. Just do what I say and you'll be rich, and keep this in your mind. Rats lay in a ditch with no spine. Don't ever forget that golden rule in the game. Cheers, they all know your name, it's like fame. Wild women and money don't mix like drinking and driving. Watch those conniving women and keep your eye out. Always be aware of what's around you. They wanna down you so they can climb you. Keep your foot in the money, won't stop. Pretty soon you'll be on top. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot